Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of logging into your UC Davis health account. Whether you are a patient, healthcare provider, or simply accessing your information, this tutorial will help you navigate the steps seamlessly. Let's begin. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your computer. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Now, in the address bar, type in UC Davis Health. Once you type in UC Davis Health, now hit enter to visit the official site of the UC Davis Health. In this section, you will see the My UC Davis Health site. Now click on it. Once the website loads, looks for the UC Davis Health login options. Here, you have to enter your username and password. In this field, type in your username for the UC Davis Health, and in this section, type in the password. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are certain, click on the login or sign in options right below the sign in field. Once you are signed in or log in, depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different features and resources within the platform of UC Davis Health. Hence, through this way you can log in into the UC Davis Health through your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.